Boom shakalaka, uh-oh, the massive death cross is here. Time to sell or major bear trap, bull trap, trap. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Left. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including, is this a trap? Or are we about to get our buttholes handed to us? Before we get into things, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, and of course, subscribe to the OG Bitcoin and Crypto YouTube channel, making daily videos for over 7 years. Now, today, fear and greed at 23. Look at how much extreme fear we have seen now, yesterday, last month. We had some regular run-of-the-mill fear last week, but people are getting scared, and when the sky is falling, yes, the price may fall even further, but eventually, that's when things do turn around. The overall market crashed 5% today. Bitcoin at 53,952, Ethereum at 2242, BNB at 487, Solana 125, XRP 52 cents, Dogecoin 9 cents, Tron 14 cents, and Toncoin 462. Now, Bitcoin right now finding the lower bound of this bear flag that we've been in, but this cross we've been talking about for a while, the 21 EMA ducking below the baby making moving average, the 9-month moving average. The last time this happened, Bitcoin price crashed dramatically all the way from, what was it, 47 down to $15,000. Could we have the same type of crash? If we did, and I could get this chart to work, this is exactly what it would look like in the white right here, putting us down to roughly $23,000 by summer of 2025. But that's just one scenario, because let's say that we in fact had like a mid-cycle top. This wasn't the ultimate top, just a mid-cycle top like summer of 2019. Well, we take that bar pattern, and while it still crashes us down to around $23,000, this time a lot sooner by December, what ultimately ends up happening is the price rallies quite a bit to $300-some thousand by sometime in 2026 or 2027. The time chart doesn't even go that far. I guess maybe, hopefully, there's still a future at that point. But if it is, Bitcoin price could be quite high. So, that being said, the most recent price crash for Bitcoin, the Great Bitcoin Crash of September 2024, overall, when you zoom out, not that terrible. But it feels terrible. It certainly does. Right now, day 63 of Bitcoin cycle. Should be looking at the bottom very soon. No major selling volume as it retests this area for the third time. It became more of a question on what happens for the intermediate term after a good bounce, probably around late September. Interesting. September 24th, that's the day we've been talking about for the Bitcoin rally to resume. So could this just be a temporary thing? Right now, Bitcoin finding a bit of support on the long-term trend line. This has been both resistance and support right now for a 2-year trend line since June of 2022. Will this hold? Great question. For the shorter term, 4-hour candles right now, perfected TD9 buy setup on the 4-hour candles. So, could be a great opportunity to at least trade Bitcoin in the short term, make a little bit of money if it doesn't continue going down. Right now, the RSI at September 2023 levels, you can see what happened after the RSI was at this level previous time. Bitcoin went from $20,000 to $72,000. Could we have the same thing? Or is it going to go even lower? That is a great question. We see right here, RSI calmed down to near the oversold zone. According to the last RSI price action back here, Bitcoin could move sideways for a short period of time while RSI falls even lower before it pumps again. So, may have a little bit longer time of consolidation and pain before things get better. But when in doubt, zoom out. If we take a look at the yearly candles, mega bull process for Bitcoin will get tougher between Q4 2024 and 2025. Everything looks clearer on the 12-month chart. See, 1 bad year, 3 good years. 1 bad, 3 good, 1 bad. Feels like 3 bad so far, but these are actually 3 good. And sometimes you get a massive third year, which could be coming right now. If we take a look at the Bitcoin and gold ratio, the Bitcoin and gold ratio could dip into the high teens, but there's a massive inverted head and shoulders forming favoring Bitcoin over gold and every other asset on the face of the planet. So things are looking good for Bitcoin. And even though we've been waiting 6 months for a new Bitcoin high that has not happened yet, just this crazy long bull flag, right now, 2024 shares many similarities with 2017 back here. And it all leads to point 8, which is the last support dip before things took off. Hopefully, this short-term mess will be over soon and things will resume. Right now, on the 2-hour chart, there is a bullish falling wedge pattern with targets of roughly $60,000 to $65,000. And that's not all. We also have the bullish diamond reversal pattern forming, which right now has an $83,000 projected target. And one more, Bitcoin can drop even more. It certainly can. It could drop very, very fast and very, very painful, even all the way down to $20-some thousand or worse. But it could just be one last move to fake out the weak hands and then fly out of this double bottom pattern to roughly $85,000 per Bitcoin. So that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter, @TheCryptoLove, subscribe to the channel, and YouTube says watch that video right there. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.